going to learn about this kanji. This kanji, we had the reading of kunyomi lane. Either they write the in English wrong, so don't pay attention to that. It had the meaning tag along or lead, join, or connect. But for in kunyomi, we can say Zura Nari, or you have the second sound, right? Zule Lu. So you have to remember how to use when they use the kunyomi and when they use the onyomi. So the next, let's go to see some example of how to use the kanji of Zulanaru or Zuleru. The first, Kunren. Kunren is mean training, drill, practice, discipline. Lenso, which means association of ideas, being remind of something, suggestion. Association of ideas, being remind of something or suggestion. Renraku is mean to contact or to get in touch. For example, when you contact with someone, which you have to say renraku to. Renraku nan dalai ni renraku shimasu, which means you contact with someone or some organization. Kanren, which means elation or connection, relevance. Renzoku, continuation or succession or series. Continuation, succession or series, which means when you do something continually, that means renzoku in Japanese. Rengo, which means union or alliance, combination,